Hello guys, welcome to our channel. My name is Achal Jain. I have graduated from Modi University Lakshmangarh and currently I am working as a professional software developer. So today we have IITR alumni with us who recently joined PayPal as an SG2 position and who had 3 offers as well from big product based company. Basically, he switched from service based company to product based company and has an experience on backend service and cloud technologies as well. So let's welcome Vivek and let's talk about his college journey as well as his professional experiences.
Yeah, thanks Achal for such a brief introduction for me.
Thank,
Thank you.
thank you, Vivek, for joining us. Can you share how you started your professional career?
Yeah, sure, Achal. So after graduated from IIT Roorkee, I joined Reliance as a software engineer, where I worked on private cloud and backend technologies. So, and that way I started my career.
So from Reliance, you landed on PayPal, right?
Yeah, no, Achal. So from Reliance, after working 2 years there, I switched to another service-based company, which was SCL, where similarly 2 years I worked on, and then I landed to PayPal.
Okay, so I thought it's a huge jump from HCL to PayPal.
Yeah, it was a huge jump for me, and I think everyone has a dream to work on big product-based company like PayPal, Amazon, Microsoft. So yeah, it was a huge jump for me, and I'm really happy for that.
Oh yeah. So how you got call from PayPal?
Yeah, so for PayPal, HR directly contacted to me. So yeah, for PayPal directly they contact me.
Okay, so other than PayPal, have you applied for big product-based companies?
Yeah, so in my case, basically I think everyone aware as well. So LinkedIn, I think it's a best way to connect with HR peoples. I always updated my LinkedIn profile, and I got a lot of messages from HR side as well in LinkedIn. So I think LinkedIn is the best way to connect with or get a call from big product-based company.
Okay, so like other than LinkedIn, did you get call from any other platform as well?
Yeah. So other than LinkedIn, I got call from coding platforms as well, like InterviewBit or LetCode. And other than that, I updated my profile on InstaHire, Naukri as well. So I got some call from that platform as well.
Okay, so when you start interview preparation for big product-based company and how you manage with current job?
Yeah, so 3 to 4 months back, I thought that it's a good time to switch. So now at that time, I started my preparation for a big product-based company, and it's not difficult to manage with your current project. Just focus on your current project, what you are doing. If you have a good grip in your current project, basically it will help you to crack the interview. And apart from that, after office hours, I used to spend 2 to 3 hours in coding platform and learn good grip on latest tech as well.
Okay, that's great. So can you share your preparation strategies with us?
Yeah, sure, Achal. So in terms of preparation strategy, basically everyone aware that if you are applying for a software job, you need to be good in coding side. So basically, I used to code in Lit Code or interview HackerRank platform. Other than DSL Go, I used to work on Linux Academy or Udemy platform as well to learn latest tech or to learn knowledge on Java Spring technologies or on cloud technologies. And yeah, I worked on my communication skill as well or on my current projects as well. So I think that helped me to build a good resume or to crack an interview as well.
Yeah. Hmm. Okay, so let's have one rapid fire. Okay, so in that I will ask you 5 to 6 questions and you have to give answer in one word. Fine.
Yeah, sure, Achal. Let's try that.
Okay. So which one is your dream company
PayPal,
and which one is your favorite sport
cricket,
and favorite sport person?
Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
Okay. Are you a traveling person?
Not that much, but I used to travel sometimes.
Which destination you like most?
Till now, Europe.
Have you attracted with European girls?
Yeah, a little bit.
Bike riding or car driving?
Car driving.
Girlfriend or girlfriends? Okay, so let's talk about your interview experience in PayPal. So, how many rounds did you have?
Yeah, sure, Achal. So in PayPal, basically they conducted 4 rounds for me. First one was coding round, and other than that, in single day I got 3 rounds. Uh, in 3 rounds, first one was technical, then system design, and last one was hiring manager round for me.
Okay, so first one was a hacker earth round. So, how many questions did you get in that, and what's the difficulty level?
Yeah, first one was online hackering round. So in that coding round, I got 2 questions, and I think the difficulty based on which position you apply. If you apply for ST1, difficulty level will be easy to moderate, and if you apply for ST2 or ST3, it will be like moderate to hard level. In my case, I got 2 questions. One was basically a two-pointer question, and second one was segmentary. I tried to complete both one, but failed. But I completed around 80% of question.
Okay, so is there chances if someone if someone able to solve 80% of that round?
Yeah. If someone complete, basically for a safe side, try to complete both the questions. But yeah, if you completed 70 to 80%, there is a chance that you can get next round.
Okay, so after how many days did you get another call?
Yeah, so in my case, after 2 days, I got a call from HR that you clear the online hackering round and prepare for next round. And they
Okay,
gave me date as well.
so I think you are the lucky one that you get call.
Yeah, yeah, I think I'm a lucky one because after 2 days, I got a call from HR. I heard from some other peoples as well. They got call after 1 or 2 weeks. But yeah, I think I'm a lucky one.
Yeah. So I guess next round was your technical round, right?
Yeah, next one was technical round for me.
Okay.
So
Okay. So how many questions did they ask, and what type of questions was there in technical round?
yeah. So basically, technical round. In technical round, basically, they checked on your DSL skills. They checked on your current projects and latest tech. So in my case, in terms of DSL, they asked me dynamic programming questions. In terms of coding, they asked me comparison between linked list and array list, how we can use them in a better way. They ask me internal hash map working. Other than that, in latest tech, they ask me a question related to Spring, related to cloud technologies as well, because my profile mostly on the backend side or on the cloud side. And other than that, yeah, they ask me some question on my previous project as well.
Okay. So were you sure and confident enough that you will get next round call?
Yeah. So after that round, I felt that I answered all questions correctly. So I was confident enough that I will get a call for next round. And after half an hour, I got a call from HR that you cleared that round, and your next round will be in 1 hour.
Oh, that's fabulous. So next round was your system design round, right?
Yeah, next one was a system design round for me.
So what type of questions they asked you in system design round?
Yeah, so basically in system design round, they will not check you on DS algo side, or but basically they will check you on the design side. And system design round basically conducted by higher technical person. So in my case, basically they give me question like design a REST endpoint. uh, they give me some some scenarios as well to work on design side. And other than that, they give me question on cloud side as well. Design some scenario related to cloud. And one more thing, in system design round, basically, they don't want that you complete all answer correctly. But basically, they will check. So try to complete as much as you can in system design round, and I think I was able to do that.
Yeah, okay, yeah. Okay, so is the system design round for freshers as well?
Yeah, so no, I think in terms of my knowledge for fresher, system design round is not there in PayPal because they don't have a professional experience. So for fresher, I think mostly they conduct the technical rounds where they ask about DS algo questions, or they ask about their college life. So I think for system design round, not for freshers.
Okay, so did you face any other technical round, or what was your next round for you?
Yeah, so after system design round, I got a call from HR. My next one was a hiring manager round for me.
Okay,
Uh,
so was that technical or totally managerial round?
yeah, so hiring manager was not technical one. Basically, in hiring manager round, you will connect with your hiring manager, and it was mostly on the management skill side. So they asked me question related: have you worked on release project release process? Have you worked on code smells tools? Or that type of question they ask, and in my case, they asked me some tricky questions, some puzzles as well. So basically, it was not a technical one. Basically, they will check your communication skills, or they will check your management skills.
Okay, so I guess that was your final round. So how is your feeling after that?
Yeah. So basically, after 3 rounds, basically it was a hectic day for me. Conducted three rounds in a single day, but it's a good way as well, because if you fail, you can prepare for another company. And because I cleared all 3 rounds, so it was an awesome feeling for me that yeah, probably I will get an offer letter now.
Yeah, okay. So after how many days did you get an offer letter?
So after completing my HR hiring manager round, around 1.5 week or 2 weeks, I got a tentative offer letter and congratulations from mail from HR side.
Okay, so that to see that congratulations mail, it was an awesome feeling, I guess.
Yeah. You cannot imagine how was that feeling, because I joined my dream. Now I can join my dream company, and yeah, it was a totally awesome feeling for me. I shared that feeling some of my friends, and at that night I didn't sleep. It was totally awesome for me.
Yeah. Okay. So सिटी से कितना मिला?
अच्छा खासा दे दिया था.
Oh, that's great. So what are different components in PayPal CTC?
Yeah, so in PayPal CTC, basically they will give you some fixed component, a fixed salary component. Other than that, they will give you annual bonus as well, which is around 10% of your fixed CTC. Other than that, they will give you stock options, and a stock option is good in PayPal as well. And they give you some meal card and gratuity other than in your CTC as well.
Okay. So are there any other perks also?
Yeah, other than that, they will give you joining bonus, relocation bonus, and yeah, I think a lot of persons knows that transportation from home to office is free in PayPal. So traveling allowance, I think it's a perk.
Okay. So recently you joined PayPal, right?
Yeah, 1 month back I joined PayPal, and it was till now it's a good experience for me.
Oh, that's great. So nice talking to you. Thanks, Vivek, for sharing your experience with us, and all the
Yeah,
best for your journey.
yeah. Thanks, Achal, and I think it's good to connect with you.
Yeah,
Thanks,
thank
Achal.
you. Okay, so thank you guys for your time. And to get more technical stuff, you can like, subscribe, and share our channel. And if you have any other query, then you can share in comment section and please give feedback as well. Thank you. Bye-bye.